Hi everybody, welcome back to my next video in my YouTube. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make banana split fluff. So we got marshmallows, we got two. We got cherry glaze, crushed pineapple, and we just got two of these. And frozen strawberries. Oh, we just got the Scottish. So, okay, and bananas. All right, that's
when you need to put your crushed, how much crushed you put in for.
okay. Oh, let's put all of it in.
Just level it out and see if it's at 4 ounces. Yes, it's 4 ounces.
Was I right?
Yes, it's 4 ounces. Okay.
And put it in here.
Well, hang on, put all that in. Have you got it on?
Yeah.
I might get the scissors. Some on the bench. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, now get that crushed pineapple and you mix that all together until all that powder's all dissolved.
So what do I use?
Where's that spoon?
Oh, here.
You want that dissolves in the pudding thickness.
Holding.
Mm-hmm.
Like that, Mum?
Yep, okay, it's all nice and thick.
Yep. So, 8.
Yep.
Yes.
Is it empty? Okay, get the next one. Give it a shake.
Oh. Oh. Ah, fuck. Oh! Mum.
Oh.
From home.
Get Dad to do it. Yeah, just right here.
Okay.
Is it still you that got it on?
Yeah.
Yeah, give it here. And you need the rubber spatula to fold it in.
Oh, yummy.
And make sure you get it all out.
Yeah. Oh, she will. vegetables, yummy.
Okay, now get,
Huh?
take all that stuff off.
Yay. Yummy. Looks yummy. Oh well.
Okay, now fold it all that there.
Yeah. Yummy.
You fold it from the yeah.
That's what I'm doing.
On the top, yes. That's right, underneath, on the top, yeah.
Yeah, I'll just grab this. Underneath, unfold it. Oh. Huh? Oops. The washing machine's finished.
Okay, it's all mixed in.
Yeah.
Okay, now you've got to add your bananas. Cut up your bananas
Cut up.
and put them in the.
I'll cut them up.
Yeah, just slice them.
Get a
Knife. So you slice 3 bananas in there.
Whoops. Yep, Ronnie, just chuck the banana in there. Yeah, okay. Yep. No, this is a bit slippery banana. Ow! Yummy, yummy. Oh, hello, EA.
Add them now, just mixing those in.
With this?
Yeah. Might have to transfer it to a bigger bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we should transfer it to a bigger bowl.
Yeah. Excuse. Yeah. Done. Now I'll put it up.
Get the spoon to scrape that all out. You might need the spoon.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, the spatula now. Okay, get the spoon in. Mix it all in.
The spoon?
Yeah, get the spoon because you need something here.
Yeah.
Mix it all in. And then you can do your strawberries and
Oh, yeah. No, I haven't started cutting without with the. Oh, these ones are.
They'll be bite size.
These are bite size.
Okay.
These ones are just smaller.
Okay.
Emptying the strawberries. In here?
Yes. Okay, mix them up and we'll get some more. That's 10 ounces, so we've got to do another 6.
Yeah. Yep. I'm just gonna. Whee! Yeah.
Okay, turn it off and do the rest.
What are we doing?
No, they must be. Just put them in the here.
Look, I've already been cut.
Looks like it. Yeah. Oh yeah, just want to, yeah. Is that all of them?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, put the cherries. The mix. Yep.
Need half a cup chocolate chips.
Oh. I'll just put it with the. Oh. So we're going to put it in there.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, excuse me. In here?
Yes. And we'll get
I'll strip. Oh, that's better. Since I had a new friend, Mum, my headache's gone. Since I had a brood fin.
okay.
I just got. We're just going to blend it. Make blonde.
Mix it into there.
Yep. Mix it in here.
Yep. Mix it all together. Make sure it's all combined.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, that really hurts.
Turn it off and I'll do it.
So it's all mixed in. So we're gonna put it in the fridge for how long?
2 to 4 hours.
Yeah. Until we put the top on, eh?
No. Just how it is.
You can put whipped cream on top.
No, not yet.
No.
Oh, no, that's when you dish.
Thank you for watching my video, how to make banana split fluffy. If you guys want this recipe, there's a link down in the description down below. Ronnie is out by push the subscribe button for more videos down the line. Bye.